We visited Mazi, a Greek restaurant that has been in Notting Hill since 2012. The atmosphere really makes you feel like you're actually in Greece on holiday. Mazi means together in Greek. We were off to a great start with this super soft bread and the smoked aubergine pot. The sea bream carpaccio blew me away. It was so delicious. The calamari was perfectly crispy. The courgette cakes had such a unique but delicious flavour. Honey roasted tomatoes and goat's cheese. Wow. This monkfish was so flavourful. The spiced lamb rump. If you like red meat, this is an absolute must. Sweet treat time. The chocolate mousse cake was amazing. Combined with the Greek coffee ice cream, it was mind-blowing. The strawberry sorbet with a dash of Prosecco was the perfect summer dessert and a wonderful way to finish the meal.